For this question, we see two oppositely charged spheres of the same mass suspended by light string, and there's also an external electric field E, okay, outside, and the two spheres come to equilibrium as shown. Okay, what is noticeable is the angles are not the same. Okay, so before we try to do this question, right, let's understand what may cause the angles, right, in this kind of pendulum setup, right, be different. So if, right, I have a small angle, it must mean that the force that is pulling it to the side is smaller. Large angle means the force pulling it to the side is larger. Okay, hence, right, with this knowledge we can go on and solve this problem. In the horizontal direction, right, these two spheres actually attract each other, okay, because they are oppositely charged. So this is the force by 2 on 1, this is the force by 1 on 2. At the same time, right, there is also a force by the external E field on each of them, and that must be the one that constitutes them being dragged apart. Okay, so we know that for Q1, right, it has to be to the left, Q2 has to be to the right. Obvious is this force is pulling them apart or from each other, and that will mean, right, that Q1 will be negative, sorry, and Q2 has to be positive because the E field is to the right. Now, we know that Q2 is being put more to the right or with a bigger angle compared to Q1. That means, right, that the size of the force for Q2, this force, right, let's call it F2 compared to F1. F2 definitely has to be larger than F1, and therefore, right, Q2 has to be greater than Q1, and Q1 is negative, Q1 lesser than Q2, so that will make the answer D.